Right now we are preparing to get this car tuned, straight tuned by Mead Motorsports. He's actually a guy who tuned some of the fastest LS swapped cars and LS cars in general. I've seen a lot of his work like on YouTube and stuff like that, not even knowing that he's the tuner. Like there's that like goldish, bronzish, brown 135i that's twin turbo LS. If I remember to put a picture or whatever, I'll put it somewhere here. But he tuned that car. I've been following that guy for a long time, and that person's actually part of why I want an LS swapped 135i after we're done and sell this thing. But when I do that, when it'll be most likely DCT, because I do want one that's DCT, whether that be it comes with DCT and I do the swap, or we get one that's swapped and it has like a 4L80 or whatever, and then we put the DCT in, or it comes with like a 6-speeder, what have you. But yeah, enough rambling. Once he gets all this stuff sorted out, we are going to proceed with the tuning. So this is where the thing is. This is the cable that connects into the computer. We're going to be plugging out the this little screen thing. I'm going to buy a splitter, so that way next time I have like an LS car or anything like that, we'll be able to run the screen and plug it in, because yeah, I just don't know how much effect that thing has. Granted, I don't think you need it, and that only does like little adjustments and stuff like that, and everything is controlled by the Holley ECU and there itself. Let me just down there, wherever whatever, you guys know what I mean. But I believe all the stuff is controlled by the Holley ECU itself, so that little screen thing is not too important. But yeah, again, like I said, let me stop rambling and get to the tuning and stuff. So we're doing some bleep bloop stuff on the laptop. I'm only saying we because I gotta do some of it as well. But yeah, sorry for all the super brightness. The sun is right in front of us, and we have the Insta360 mount ready for when we actually do like the driving part. So once this thing is loading, I'll probably record a couple little things, and then we'll get to the driving. And yeah, so I'll check in with you guys in a little while. Now we're trying the other laptop. Hopefully it works. But yeah. You can see the mouse moving and stuff like that. That's the tuner doing it. So, you know, it's typical of my things, but you know, never know. This is super cool. And it's wild that the old shitty used school laptop that we have like as a backup is faster than my brand new 5G laptop. So I'm definitely gonna get rid of the laptop I have and get a different one, because that's embarrassing. Hopefully the quality is decent, but yeah, we're data logging right now, so